Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Let me open my mask.
I am the designated driver for today. I'll take out my mask because we're inside the car, so it's okay.
Hi
you don't have
guys.
that rule like, hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Roy. So today I'm traveling with my cousin, and we are right now at Barapani. We are just taking the view of this scenic beauty, and right now we are traveling during the COVID situation. So we don't expect much to show in this vlog, but still we will try to show something. We will also go to the police bazaar, which is a very famous market in Shillong. So yeah, let's see what we can find there, and let's continue with the vlog. Wow, just look at the landscapes. Wow, it's amazing. Like every time I travel to Shillong, I still can't get enough of the landscapes. The greeneries, the trees, the plants, they all look so amazing. So here we are entering in Shillong. Now we are going on the place. Even I do not know where we are going, but we will find out eventually. And right now I am at my cousin's car. Yeah, so here is my cousin. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Yeah, so he is driving right now, and we are waiting for our friends. Two more of our friends are joining us soon. And here is my cousin from Kolkata. So we three are meeting after long years. After long ages, I would say.
Yeah, like we are together after long ages. We have been like with him once, but we have never been together for a long time.
Very long time.
Three of us have never been together.
Because he is in
3 or 4 years, I guess.
He's in Delhi, I'm in Kolkata, he's in Shillong.
2017 was the last time I remember.
But we are planning that we must get together in Northeast at the end, sometime in next few years.
Yeah.
And we will settle down here and do our, party life from here only. Continue it. Well, after all, यहाँ पे सांस लेने के लिए अच्छी हवा है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Air quality index is 18. You won't believe in Shillong, and in Delhi it's 500, and in Kolkata it's near about 100 to 200. It's like, damn man.
So
let's see where we are headed to. It will be somewhere strange.
To be honest, even I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't like to
गाड़ी है,
as
हम
much.
बस चल रहे हैं.
Wherever the road leads us to.
Yeah. Until the petrol ends and we are like, fuck, where do we go now?
Had to be the road.
okay.
Today as well.
Yeah, even he has a YouTube channel. I will link it in the description.
And I am just being the
and he is
mannequin. I'm just being the mannequin in the vlog.
Yeah, he is. Actually the role model.
Yeah.
Just to make him feel better.
Yeah, they hired me from Calcutta. Like, come be the role model.
Yeah.
But in the end, I come to know they're not going to pay me. So,
you might pay.
धोखा हो गया.
Okay. So let's continue with the vlog and let's see where we are headed.
Yeah, they only like you there in the bridge in CRPF camp, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you park somewhere there. Is there's some place there? Yeah,
On
you
the same,
park somewhere there.
I won't come ahead. Once you're.
Yeah.
How long
I'll
will
call
it take?
Once I come out from 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I'll wait for her there.
Okay.
Okay.
That sounds about right.
Okay.
So now our friends have joined. So say your name.
Hi, my name is Karen.
Okay, and who is Karen's friend? Okay, that's Chelsea. So we just met them, and right now we are on the way to Laitlum, right? We are going to Laitlum. Yeah.
Yes, no destination front.
Yeah. So it's already raining. Let's
We
see.
also go to PB and be like, oh, we're done for the day. See, bye. Take care. See dreams.
It's nice that it's raining now. You can go to Laitlum and get good vlog.
Yeah, in a way, yes. I mean, see, that day when I went out with her, I washed the vehicle and I don't want it to get dirty again.
You will clean it again.
Yeah. We just cleaned your vehicle yesterday, and it's raining again.
Day before yesterday.
But
Well, if you have bought a vehicle, you have to clean it anyhow. Every day or day.
Yes.
One day after, it's fine.
Yes. Did you buy your license, brother?
GTA High City.
You don't look at him.
Yes.
Otherwise, you'll go in.
No. My eyes are fixated on the road. Of course, there is a lot of distraction behind, especially in the middle road. But
What is so
Yeah. Suddenly the temperature inside the car is risen.
yeah, to 26 degrees. It was 24 when you were vlogging.
Yeah.
global warming for real. 2 degrees matters when it comes to glaciers.
Ice is melting.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we head towards Laitlum, so we will catch you on the way.
is begging me to get the hell out of my
And on the way we are crossing this famous cathedral church in Shillong. And everyone in Shillong has obviously visited this church.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
Wow, look at her. Who's standing there?
She's the car conductor.
Yeah, she is the car conductor.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
Yeah, look at the sky. It's so beautiful.
Look at my cousin vlogging.
It looks like the sky has beautiful stretch marks, but I love it.
Ishan I have chalai to block.
It's okay. So yeah, this is the journey to the final destination. Not the final destination from the movies, but
Yeah, just continue living.
I can say he is driving and vlogging, which is not totally safe.
right. But it's an automatic privileges, brother.
I know that.
Privileges.
You vlog later.
Yeah.
I vlog later.
Yeah, vlog later.
I block later.
Vlog later.
Block later.
Block me later.
Thank you.
Hello guys. I'm Brian. Look.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated.
Yeah, so guys, we will now have reached Laitlum, but as we can see that they are not allowing tourists to enter the place. So let's check it out. You see, so this is closed and we are not allowed to move in. So what to do? Where do we go?
So what to do now since we
From Monday
can't go
everything
inside,
is
we'll go
open,
somewhere
but
else.
today I think so it's all closed.
Life happens, man. Life
Suggest us some place where we can hang out.
Right.
What place?
So what do you want to do? Where do you want to go?
আরে যে রাস্তাটা তুই করলে
Which place you suggested before some time?
I was saying Raplang.
Raplang.
Raplang, yeah.
the one which
Yeah, we can go to
the cloudy place ওই রাস্তাটাতে আগে যাই না আই যাবো আবার ওখান থেকে হাফ
English.
Yeah.
English.
আরে no I'm just asking him to
No, yeah, we can go to Raplang, right? We can go to Raplang
Go to
now.
Raplang side, yeah. We don't have to climb the hill, of course. Of course, there won't be great views like Laitlum, of course. But then, like, you.
Is there any other place where we can go?
Yeah, you're there. The girls are sad. I'm so sorry, girls. We're about
The weather is quite nice. It's so sunny, but I am still feeling cold. You can see me wearing a jacket in the month of August. See?
I talk all
you are wearing a jacket in month of August because you are
No, it's cold. See, I'm feeling so cold right now.
How do you feel cold, brother? Let's go. Let's not go.
Okay, so let's move on to our new destination.
but have you watched other than Friends
I think they have watched Elite. I think they have watched 13 Reasons Why.
Yeah, so now we are at Raplang and this is the place. This is a very good scenic beauty out here, and it's a very nice place to have some picnic and lunch, and good place to very decent place to get some relaxation. So this is the place. It's not nothing much else out here, and I think we'll be moving on to some other place right now. We'll get some.
Thing to eat and just look at the landscape for a moment. The place looks amazing, really nice. Like I could sit here for hours and look at the sky.
Yeah, I think so. Now we'll be moving on to some other place to get some lunch and all, and we will try to find some good cafes or restaurant on the way. But I don't think that will be possible because of this COVID situation. They are only giving us the takeaway option, but still we will try to find something. Okay, so let's continue.
So here we're doing some kind of photo shoots and just passing our time.
So there is a waterfall, just small waterfall or small drain I would say, but it's quite clean, the water. Listen to the sound.
One, two, three. Is it one waterfall wala water? 2, 3 water.
Yeah, so this is the place we have where we have come to eat, and surprisingly now this is closed, but this place has a very nice good view. Let me show you. Just look behind me. I will take the camera that side. Wow. So according to my cousin's information, we find really nice foods like good momos and good sandwiches out here, but I need to catch the car right now. So now we are heading towards Police Bazaar to have some lunch. Hopefully we will find something.
Oh, I miss the old buses of Shillong when they were nice. It gave that really retro feel. But nowadays you don't get that charm anymore.
Yeah, this is another church. Yeah, so right now we have reached Police Bazaar and they're not allowing dining anywhere, so we will just have to take some packing of food. Let's see what we can find. Look at the cars out here. The way they modify, even the Maruti cars, right?
Yeah, specifically the Swift.
Yeah.
They really have good pair of wheels in them.
Yeah, each and every car has good pair of alloys on them. Let me show you. Look at the wheels, huh? Really nice. Yeah, so look at the wheels of these cars, huh? Pretty nice. There is quite hustle and bustle out here. It does not feel like COVID, but yeah, everyone is wearing masks out here. So we'll just find something to eat out here, and let's see what we get. So we will just keep strolling around the market and let's see what we can find to eat. Wow, just look at these stalls.
आलू पराठा सब्जी है एक रोल लाल वाला की सफेद है ये गरम होगा हाँ मालिक बोलिए
आप क्या बना रहे हो?
एक रोल आलू पराठा सब्जी ऑमलेट सूखा रोटी हाँ भाई क्या खाएंगे
Just look at him. Yeah.
आइए थोड़ा अच्छा से
divided it into 2 parts, and this is the first part, and I'll be soon uploading the second part, so stay tuned and kindly do subscribe my channel. So yeah, thank you for watching.